Hi folks, we are back in Lucerne, Switzerland once again. Lucerne is a beautiful city with an amazing history and culture. We are standing at the bus station, which is situated just outside Lucerne Hauptbahnhof, which is railway station. Straight across the road from the bus station is the jetty or quay, where you can do a tour of Lake Lucerne. There is 2 different piers here. It is also the spot that the tour of Pilatus leaves from if you take the boat or come back from the cogwheel train. I would like to point out, if you have a hotel in the heart of Lucerne, you will also get free public transport around the zone that is the centre of Lucerne with your hotel stay. Switzerland accommodation and food can be expensive. We have stayed here twice now. It is a great little hotel. It is a community toilet and shower, but the rooms are clean and great, and it comes with breakfast. Looking across the southern end of Lake Lucerne, where it joins the River Reuss. This is Kappelbrook or Chapel Bridge. It's one of the oldest surviving truss bridges in the world, and it has frescoes of cultural and historical events in the roof. In 1993, a fire destroyed apparently 3/4 of this bridge, and it was rebuilt at the cost of 3.5 million Swiss francs. The water tower overlooking the bridge construction dates back to 100 years before the bridge was built. There is amazing history behind this tower if you want to research it. This beautiful structure with the twin domes looking across the Reuss River is the Jesuit church. Lucerne has some of the most spectacular buildings you will see anywhere in the world. A lot of them are covered with artwork. The Lion Monument, which is in a park just off of Lauenplatz. We don't cover it in this vlog. It's in our vlog from last year for Lucerne. But the Lion Monument was built in commemoration of 300 Swiss guards that died in the French Revolution. This is Needle Dam, or Roos Weir. It's built on the Sprecher Bridge. It was built in 1408. Amazing historical bridge. There is no smoking on the wooden bridges in Lucerne, as they believe that the fire that burnt down Chapel Bridge was somebody who flicked a cigarette into a moored boat underneath the bridge. Looking up at Mooseg Mire, or Mooseg Wall. This is a wall around the city. It is a medieval fortification. It has 9 observation towers along the length of the wall. There's Munlaterm on the western end of the wall. Lucerne City is the capital of the canton of Lucerne. The official language of Lucerne is German. Locally it is known as Lucerne German. Most of the old town part of Lucerne is very flat. It's only when you walk up to like the Museg Wall that it goes up a hill. So in the old town, it's only pedestrian. There is no bicycles even. This is the Church of St. Lydigar. It was built in 735, and the two towers are the remaining construction from that period. The rest of it was rebuilt in 1633. Please like and subscribe if you find the information useful in our vlogs for your travels. All of our vlogs are informative vlogs, so I hope that it helps you wherever you're going on any of your travels to the destinations we have been to. Looking across the beautiful Lake Lucerne. Next week we will be travelling to Zurich, so look forward to having you here with us on that vlog for Zurich. If our content in our informative vlogs help you with your travel, please like and subscribe, as without your support our channel cannot grow. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. Little did we know that the hotel we booked into in Zurich was in the red light district. It was a very interesting stay. Join us for an amazing walk around Zurich Old Town and what to watch out for in Zurich.